Alright, I'm back out here again. I'm going to make this rear window. Had to take a Dremel in here and grind the welds from the chop, and I ground the edges all the way around. Make sure they're flush. I'm going to take this piece of cardboard from the front window, put it up there and mark it out, and I'm going to make the back window. I'm going to do it the same way as the front, because the rubber was really wide. It had like a framing around the back truck window, so we're just going to bolt it in, silicone it. Alright, I got the cardboard propped up there. Now I'm going to go inside with the marker and mark the inside out. Alright, so I took the marker and marked the edge. Now I'll take it out and I'll add a distance to it. Then I'll cut it and I'll get that piece of cardboard to fit, and then we'll move it to the Lexan. Alright, so I just kind of eyeballed and opened the distance up all the way around it, and I'm going to cut it with the scissors and get this piece to fit in that hole. Alright, so the cardboard's in there. I took my razor knife and I ran along the edge and cleaned up like the radiuses and got this thing to sit flat. So now I'm ready to take that piece of cardboard, take it out, and put it on the Lexan. Alright, so I took a marker, cardboard, marked it out on here. I'm going to take this old jigsaw I got and cut it out, and then start fitting it in the window up there with the flap disc. So I'm just cutting it out with the jigsaw. It's real easy to do, but yeah, just whacking it out with the jigsaw here, and stuff just comes right off. Real easy. So I'll finish cutting it. That scared me a little. I'll finish cutting it out, and then see if I can get it to fit in that hole up there. Hopefully it just pops in. It might take a little bit of sanding. So I'm just taking my marker and I'm eyeballing through the plastic. I'll take the grinder and I'll grind that down, get this thing to fit as best I can. And I've done that on both sides, so I'm gonna grind it down. Alright, so I got it to fit up in there real nice. Now I just gotta find somebody to put nuts on the inside, and I'll start drilling it. I need to mark it first. I'll lay it out for bolts every 3 inches, and find the approximate center and go to town. Alright, I got all the marks laid out for every 3 inches here. I just got to find somebody to put the nuts in so I can drill, work my way this way and then work my way that way. Alright, so I got all the bolts in. A buddy of mine came over and helped me bolt it up. So I'll take it apart now and weld all the nuts and put it back together and tap whatever nut I got to tap or whatever. Probably all of them. And then the rear window will be done, but I got a little bit of work left. Alright, so I got the window out and I've got all the bolts back in. I'm going to go in here and weld all the nuts. Alright, I got all the nuts welded in here. So we're ready to put the window back in and bolt it down. Okay, I got the rear window bolted back in. So all the windows are done now. The front one, the side ones. And the back window is in. I'll get to take that front window out now and start making the defroster. But I got the rear window done today. So I think it's looking good. Thanks for checking in. You have a nice day. Later.